have it right here.
Give me.
Get your hands off of me.
You're a known shoplifter.
Oh.
Give me your hand.
Don't handcuff me. I can walk with you. Don't get it.
Give me your hand.
On December 17th, 2021, officers were called to a Target store after loss prevention reported that a group of suspected repeat shoplifters had returned just one day after an alleged large-scale theft. As store surveillance tracked their every move, officers positioned themselves outside, waiting for the suspects to leave with a cart loaded with unpaid merchandise. What followed was a coordinated response involving multiple officers, a foot chase, and an investigation that uncovered far more than a routine shoplifting case.
She thinks they're getting ready to head up to the front. They're loading everything that they've selected into one cart, probably getting ready to head up to the front. She's just going to let me know when they pass all points of sale and when they're headed out. And she'll let me know which side they're going to. Okay. Right, Gabby? You'll let me know which side they're going to? Okay. Okay. All right. She thinks one of them might be coming out before the rest of them. So she'll let me know about that. But they're still loading up right now. I'm pretty sure she did. She came in, grabbed a cart, and headed straight down that front.
So if all else fails, we can just identify them and go from there.
Okay.
Y'all said that they did this yesterday as well.
Yeah. And one of the women in here actually just left not too long ago. But is it just you?
At the moment.
At the moment, it's just
I got
one.
two more units coming.
2 more units coming, just one right now. Yeah, I let him know there's 3 of them.
So
She said they're coming up the back wall now, so they're probably going to pop out soon, but she'll let me know.
back wall. All the way back
Over there. Should we move over to the entrance, or should we just stay here at the exit? She said the first girl might come out by herself, so if she does, to just let her kind of keep moving and try to pull her off to the side. She's mostly concerned with the other people. What does the first girl look like? What is she wearing? Guys coming up right now, passing Starbucks. Coming out of the exit. Now. Look.
I'm right there.
Is it the guy in the pajamas? Okay, the guy pushing the cart of toys.
I got a receipt.
You have a receipt? Let me see
Yes, I have it right here.
Traffic 41 got one running. Brown shoes, gray pants, blue t-shirt towards Abercorn. Just ran across Abercorn, over by the Murphys.
Give me a description here.
Brown boots, gray pants, blue t-shirt at Murphys. Over by Verizon. Running back towards Target.
Going towards Target.
4 towards Target. Give it up!
He just ran up the hill into the Target parking lot. See him? Where's he at?
Just jumped into a gray sedan.
Alright, where at? I'm coming in the side parking lot.
Charlie, Quebec, Romeo 7472. coming out near Bank of America.
All right, it's going to be a Volvo sedan, two-door, driven by a black male. He's going out the crap. Yeah, he went out the side over there. I believe he headed back towards Abercorn. Alright, I don't have sight. I'm going to turn off my lights and sirens.
On Johnny Street, number.
I'm pretty sure she was with them, but she just put on a new shirt.
This one?
Yes.
Alright, I don't have sight. I'm gonna turn off my lights and sirens. H5 to the east side, that comes back to 2122 Mexico Street.
Also be advised you guys know shoplifters.
Hey, you got ID on you?
First name is Trayvon.
Let's walk back up here.
Oh, what? What? I ain't did nothing. What you gotta get your hands off of me?
You're a known shoplifter.
Oh.
Give me your hand.
Don't hands off me. I can walk with you. Don't get it.
Give me your hand.
No shoplifter. Don't drop my phone.
Stop.
I'm trying to put my phone in my pocket. Private air is clear, 11-4. You tripping. This is a low. It's going to be a 2004 Volvo S80 green in color.
It's going to be very light. It's not going to be a dark green. It's going to be a very light green, almost silver looking. And it does have some damage, looks like,
her?
on the...
Yes, I think she just put
I can't remember which side. It was either by the headlight. I believe it was on the passenger side, but I'm not sure. It could have been on the driver's side.
42 suspect hit target yesterday with felony amount. Traffic 41, I got one female detained.
Copy.
Did you pull that shirt off the sales floor?
No, I did not.
That's fine, they'll be able to watch video.
So many people, the other girl got away.
Go ahead.
Have a seat on the bench over there.
Hey, what y'all got? Hey, how many tries?
Y'all got a property back?
Do we have what?
Property.
What?
The property. The cart full of stuff.
Oh, yeah, right out. It's definitely, I have to guess it's stolen. But I don't take how much of it yet.
You have ID?
You got away in the vehicle?
Yeah, he ran across the Abercorn and came back, jumped in the car. What's the last name?
Myself, I told 110.
Take me to jail. You take me to jail.
Okay, so you'll just sit in jail until you are identified.
Okay.
So you'll be booked under Jane Doe.
Okay.
You still want to see it then?
Yes.
Okay.
Traffic 41 to 41 Alpha 2.
Yeah, go ahead.
Whenever you're available, I need you inside the loss prevention.
I'm heading that way now. Give me just a minute. You can wait. I want to add this car.
10-4, bring your little toy.
Just wanted to see if we
Just so you know, you're refusing to provide your information is another charge. It's called obstruction by hindering.
It's called what?
Obstruction by hindering.
And what is that?
It's you not providing me with your information that you are required by law to provide.
Just take me to jail.
What's your last name?
Simmons.
Simmons? Spell that.
You can't spell Simmons?
How do you spell it?
Simmons, how I spell it every other week.
Is it 1 M, 2 M's,
2 M's.
20 M's?
20 M's.
First name. B. What state is your ID out of?
Channel. Georgia.
What's a good phone number?
I don't have one.
Is the
Man,
address
come on, that's
on,
all you need. Is come on and take me to jail.
is the address on your license a valid address for you?
I don't have no license. You got everything you need.
Is the address that is associated with your driver's license a valid address
I
for
don't
you?
have a driver license.
You've never been issued one by the state of Georgia?
No, don't.
Or any
I
state.
don't drive.
Hey, bud. She's about to get charged.
want me to start handing you stuff?
Yeah, that'd be.
And y'all ain't charge me with that. I ain't walk out with no buggy.
No.
She selected it. She helps selectively.
I did not help nothing, do nothing.
Okay, you can argue with the courts about it.
I will.
Hinder in progress, sorry. What up, bro?
Right, man.
That's nice of them to do.
I actually just did this yesterday.
Which one did you do?
And it was 700 yesterday. But I did that one yesterday.
Tis the season.
I was so far, I was by the precinct, so I was like,
I'm getting logged in.
It's okay. She provided me with a name and date of birth.
All right, we'll check it and make sure.
I'm not gonna, that's my name.
Okay, well, we're just gonna double check it.
Three?
I had to tell her that I was going to try to shop in the hindering or something. She kept telling me just to do it.
is this?
Wait, how much? There's more of that stuff?
Stuff right there too.
Yep.
Yeah, he had. You could see this. It was behind me.
It was him. That's her.
So, you verify or no?
Verify what? Oh, I didn't.
I'd verify.
Okay.
She gave a name.
After you. So sorry to be good. She's like,
What's your name, man? How do you spell it? Last name? Simmons?
And a partridge. You want the stuff in the bag too?
There's stuff in the bag?
V-A-K, what? I'm sorry.
E-Y-B-A.
turn that way, please. On the left hand.
Is there a receipt in the bag? I don't see a receipt in the bag. These bags look old because they're wrinkled.
Have you been arrested on Chad before?
I don't know.
Under what name?
B as in boy.
Oh look, shoplifting. That was why she didn't want to give me her information.
I got her social and all that stuff here too if you need it.
Oh, and by the way, you do have a state issue driver's license, or at least you did at one point.
You want her social for your passport?
I'm out of A and B's. I'm at the driver.
Well, you want to write on your notebook?
It should be attached to the warrant.
It should be. Fine, I've got it here.
It was like 874.
874.
Yes.
Felony possession.
That's from the other girl. She got away with.
I'm gonna go ahead and search you.
That's the same one.
No, there's two different
You don't
charges.
have any weapons, no knives, nothing like that. Okay.
Okie dokie.
Check and see if that orange shirt has any tags on it or anything.
This shirt was in my pocket.
It was in your pocket? Okay.
Just ran all the way to Murphy's.
I know because I was on the other side waiting for him.
Literally just like this, and
I'm about to go to jail. I'll find you when I get there.
That's them.
You're in Target and the little thing. You want to speak
We're
about.
gonna try.
Anybody can take
She
my
let me on the
phone.
phone?
no.
Alright, I'll call you when I get there. So fuck
We'll
you.
go ahead and submit that as evidence.
I'm gonna submit my phone as evidence. Instead
As
of
you're
going to my
coordinating conspiracy of a crime
property. Do what?
through your cell phone, I believe your cell phone has information regarding the people that you're helping steal and shoplift with.
Well, it's the iPhone. Y'all can't do that. Whatever.
Okay.
You go ahead and shut it off. That way they can't wipe.
The investigation ended with one suspect arrested on charges that included felony theft by shoplifting and obstruction, while officers also confirmed multiple outstanding felony warrants. Investigators documented more than $5,000 in stolen merchandise connected to the case, though they believed the overall losses could be significantly higher. Another suspect escaped the scene and remains wanted in connection with the incident. Thanks for watching, and remember that criminal charges are allegations until proven in court.